Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing icon set number 7 for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's dive right in. Icon set number 7 is the line spacing icon. In order to change the spacing of lines within Google Docs, there are a few different options available. The first is highlighting an entire section of text, clicking on the line spacing option, and then clicking the preferred spacing, such as double. Alternatively, if I begin a new line of text, I can then click on line spacing and change it to single, for example. And when I type all of my text from there on out, once I begin a new line, it will be only single spaced. And so I even have more options due to the add a space before a paragraph option, add a space after paragraph option, or custom spacing, where the line spacing can be changed by a particular number. So depending on how the document needs to be formatted, it can be altered in a variety of ways. Thank you, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.